In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to access quiz reports. To begin, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the Quiz tab in your menu. At this point, you should have assigned your quiz, and we have a tutorial on how to set up a quiz in Educate. Depending on how you set up your quiz, you may have allowed for instant report release or a timed report release on a certain date and time. When there are still students in the class that have not completed the quiz, the button will say View Quiz for that particular assessment. Once all student quizzes have been submitted for that particular class, this button will change to say View Report. So we're going to go ahead and locate a class with our drop-down menu and click Apply. And here I can see all of my quizzes for that particular class that I had selected from that menu. You can also type in and search for a particular quiz via this bar here. Now that I can see all the quizzes in a particular class, you can see some examples of the completion of that quiz. So for example, this quiz still says View Quiz, so that means that there are students in the class that have outstanding quizzes. However, this quiz says View Report, which means that all of the students in that class have taken that assessment. So regardless of where the students are at in the completion of that particular quiz, we can go ahead and view the student results submitted thus far. So to do that, you're simply going to either click on View Quiz, or you can go ahead and just click on the title of that assessment. And that will bring you to the quiz detail page. And so this is the quiz detail page where we can see how long we've set the quiz to be, the total number of questions, whether we've set it up to be an instant release or a timed release for the report to our students, the maximum number of points for that quiz, and that is determined by the number of questions. And then from there, we can also see the See Result button. We can edit the quiz from here, or we can hide it from our students. So to see all of the submitted scores thus far, we can go ahead and click that See Result button. After clicking the See Result button, we'll be taken to a table of all of the student scores and quiz attempts. So as you can see, we have the name of our student, when they attempted the quiz, and the score that they received on that assessment. Now let's take a look at an example where all of the students in a class have submitted their quiz. So again, I'm just going to open up that class by selecting it in the drop-down menu. And here I can see that this particular assessment this has changed to View Reports. That means all of the students in that class have completed that quiz. So I'm going to click that button to view a class report, an overview of the concepts within that particular quiz. So here's an example of a quiz report. It's going to have some basic details about the assessment itself, the instructions, and then you'll be able to also see the raw score for the submissions within the class. This particular example class just has one student in it, so it's just showing their scores. But essentially it'll show the maximum score of the quiz, the average score, the highest score, and the lowest score. So it's a good overview to see kind of where students were at, and a quick overall view of how students performed on that assessment. Then you'll be able to see a question-by-question analysis in terms of what percentage of students answered with which particular answer. Then you'll see a student-wise analysis as it relates to concept understanding. So there are three colors that can appear here. Green means that the student understood the concept and performed well on those types of questions that covered that concept. Yellow is going to mean that they got some wrong on that particular concept. And then red means that many questions that covered that concept were answered incorrectly. So it's a good way to see what students are understanding, where we can assign additional activities to improve those areas, and so forth. On the bottom of this report, you'll see a question-wise analysis with all of the question options for that particular question. So we can see here that there were 4 options and the correct answer was D. There will also be a table to accompany each question to see kind of where students answered their questions, and then from there we can make inferences about why or why not students may have answered it that way. And so this is an example of a class report. Upon completing their quiz and the release of the report, whether it be instant or dated release, students will receive their own report, which has all of this information but for their own scores and answers. So that is part of the report that is released to the student. That is an overview of quiz reports, how we can access them, access student scores, and a class-wide report within Educate. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to use the Educate platform.